Hello friends, this is Barb and we are back with another crockpot meal. And today we are cooking up tangy meatballs with veggies. And then we're going to pour that over some rice or noodles, or you could even poke a toothpick in it and use it as an appetizer. But the first thing we are going to do is 1 cup of ketchup. And these are going to be frozen meatballs, but you could use your own homemade meatballs. You can literally make your own meatballs and throw this sauce in it. We are going to be doing something a bit different. We're going to do, so that was 1 cup of barbecue sauce and 1 cup of ketchup, 1 cup of brown sugar. Break that up. 1/2 cup of honey. Yeah, the honey and the brown sugar is going to make it like sweet, and the barbecue sauce and ketchup is going to make it like tangy. And that combination is amazing. We're going to take out our garlic. And we're going to do 1 tablespoon. Okay. Then we're going to take that tablespoon and get some soy sauce in there. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Perfect. Then we go about stirring that up. Make sure you got that sugar all mashed up. You know, and I'm sure it's going to melt as it gets hotter. Oh, there's a little pocket of brown sugar. Okay. I got to get my meatballs. Okay, this is a 32-ounce bag. We're going to use all of it. I have to cut that open with scissors. And here we go. Perfect. All right, I'm going to take a bigger spoon and get this all married together. Oh, you know what I should have did? I should have sprayed my crock pot. But hey, you haven't started yet, so if you want, go ahead and spray your crock pot, because you know I think this is going to be really sticky. Okay. That looks good, 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 good. I'm going to taste it. Oh, yes. Yeah, like I said, it's got that tangy, sweet taste to it, and it's not overpowering. You could put 1.5 cups of brown sugar, but really, I feel like just a cup. Just a cup is perfect. unless you like really, really sweet. And there ain't a problem with that because I know I'm a sweet girl. I like my sweets. Okay, friends, now we're going to pop that lid on. I think I'm going to go high for 2 hours, but I will be back in 1 hour to add my veggies. I want to show you what I'm going to add. So you could add any kind of veggies that you want, and if you choose to do this as an appetizer, you don't have to use any veggies at all. But I went and got this deluxe stir fry, and now these meatballs are going to be the meat, and it's going to coat these vegetables. And I just know it's going to taste amazing. I just know it. And this is my way of putting more vegetables into our life. Okay, my friends, I will be back in an hour. Okay, I come back because I don't know, I just had an urge to put just a little bit of ginger. I mean a little. So here's my finger. I'm showing you, not a lot. Okay, and just flip that right on in there. And take your spoon and kind of try to get that married in there too. Okay, pop your lid back on, and I'll be right back. Okay, friends, here we are, and we are done. This went for like 2.5 hours on high. So I changed my plan. I got rice on my fingers. Okay, so here's my rice, and instead of putting the vegetables in here, I just put them in a pot. Okay, then I'm going to take the vegetables and just put them on top of my rice. I did this because I did not want the juice to overpower anything, okay? I just wanted it to flavor it, but I didn't want the vegetables soaking in the juice, so I had to rethink that one. So it's the rice, it's the vegetables of your choice. I got mixed vegetables because it seemed appropriate for the taste of this meal. And now with a slotted spoon, see, there we go. I mean, yeah, you could get some gravy, I guess if you wanted to call it a gravy, sauce. I just don't want it overpowering. Okay. Perfect. Could see it a little bit better. And that is what it looks like. I am going to take a bite, rice and the vegetables and some meatball. Oh my God. This is really awesome. This is really good. And I'm not saying that just because I made it. It is really good, and I will be making it again. Okay, friends. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe. Keep cooking, friends. I love you all.